Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Projection, back again with the newest news as we always promised. Today we brought for you Samsung S9 Plus. This is US version. This is by Verizon, purple color. I'm gonna tell you issues about why you should stay away from. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. Yeah, this is Verizon and they add them software inside the Samsung and actually they fuck it. And this is what I'm talking about, Actually, they fuck the phone. They shouldn't do this shit about, I'm gonna tell you guys advice, okay? I have three phones, S9 Plus. I have American version, Chinese version, and global version, okay? Stay away from American version that is by Verizon, T-Mobile, and like this. If you wanna buy, just buy factory unlocked, okay? That he's American version, he's the best option. Listen, I'm telling you something, guys. Between Exynos and Snapdragon, Adreno, and GM72, not big deal. Trust me, it's not big deal. The same strongness, same little bit megahertz, and like this, it's not effective. Okay, it's just the most important to pick sexy color. The most important to pick the phone for itself that you hold it in your hand. Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys why you have to stay away from the
assistant menu, mobile number location.
Thanks. I'm gonna tell you why you have to stay from the US version that is by T-Mobile, Verizon, this shit companies. Listen to me. First of all, they remove the original software and they add them shit up of this software. You got me? Look, I'm gonna tell you something. When you buy the global one or you buy US unlocked, there is a lot of applications here. You find it by Gear. Okay, I can download them. Okay, but some of them not available, like Gear software, Gear VR, a lot of things for S9, voice recording. See, it's nothing. You got me? There is nothing. There is Microsoft Office here file for complete Excel, PowerPoint, Word. It's here not available. Okay, they put them shit. My Verizon cloud, this shit, Who asked them to do this? You got me? They changed the software. Okay, he's not the same software that is. He's not the original software that came from Samsung. You got me? It's not the cool one. And by the way, he's a little bit. I feel that he's a little bit slower. You got me? Listen, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. The phone is gorgeous and like this. Why you have to? Why you have to play in the software to make your company famous? You got me? So I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. My advice to you, I use them both. I use factory unlocked and I use this. If you're gonna order from eBay or something, a US version, make sure that it wasn't T-Mobile or Verizon and they unlock it. No, it's not cool software. See, actually, there's a lot of things missing here in the applications and like this. The original that came with. Make sure that he's factory unlocked. Okay, this is my advice to you. Otherwise, he's the same everything. Just they play in the original software. They add them shit. These fucking companies. So, guys, this was my opinion about why you have to stay away from any other version except factory unlocked. Okay. So see you again in other videos. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to say with Hatem Ali for Projection. Back again to you as I always promised. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I put thumbs down this time. Don't put thumbs up. Okay. And see you soon in other videos. And peace and love for everyone.